awesome morning changers. Today is a great day, and today I have a letter, that is letter I. So here this letter is straight, letter I is straight, the dot. This is having curvature and dot. This I has a dot on the right side. This I has a dot on the left side. This I dot is near. This I dot is near, and the line is little long. This I dot, instead of dot, it is having a circle. This I is having a dot but quite far from the stem. This is I, but it is missing the dot itself. It looks like E. Now these letter structure of I, you may have different variety of your I, but the basic letter structure is I, that standing line, and above that it's the dot which we make. Now you have to write some of the word: machine, science, what else you can write, ice, ice cream, where you can see that I, are you able to connect with the next letter C, or is it disconnected, or how the connection is coming in your writing. And amazing, where I comes, then initial, where I comes, and irrational, I comes, national, I comes. These some of the words which you feel, any words you take where I comes, start writing it. Okay, and see which kind of letter are you getting it. So these letter, check in your writing and see what kind of letter I are you getting in your writing, day to day life, day to day. Whenever you write something, are you consciously writing it now, or subconsciously it is still coming in your writing? How it is? Just do see. Have one notice, one point of notice that, like, am I writing this fine, or is it having some different ways, or the previous which I wrote, the word that I is different and now the I is different. So those things has to be taken into consideration. So let's meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.